Hello struggling traders. In the next 25 minutes of this video, you will learn the ungodly truths about forex trading and how to use these truths to make a minimum of $1,000 or more for yourself in the next 60 trading days without over leveraging your forex trading account. Hi, my name is Boluwatife Emmanuel. You're probably asking by now, why should you even listen to me? Well, I have been in the forex trading market for over 4 years and counting, gone through both the losing phase, break-even phase, and I'm currently dwelling in the profitable phase of forex trading. So this is what people have to say about me. So right on the left here, I have Golden. So Golden said, your status keeps me informed and increases the oil in my lamp of forex. Hart said, I don't have the time to view status every time on my WhatsApp, but not for yours. I always check in yours, most especially because of the facts and figure you always post. I'm one of those who have lost a lot in both forex and online investments, big time, even to a point I lost hope. I spent months and money and time learning the so-called technical analysis and paying for unconfirmed signal. And at a point, I lost trust because it all brought me down. But the truth is that I haven't given up because I see the financial market as one of the great means for ordinary people to generate extraordinary income. And not only working 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. jobs for years. Since I came across your adverts and was directed to this WhatsApp, your status is worth taking a time on, especially for those who are curious about the forex market. So that is what Art said. And David, as a matter of fact, you might want to ensure that your phone is on landscape view so you can easily read these testimonials yourself and confirm, right? So this is David. David said, I'm not yet in your training program, but every time I see you post some analysis, I'm like, wow, this is genius. I love to be like him, right? And this is also Fatai. He said, learned about considering 4 factors before entering a trade: bias, location, entry reason, and exit reason. Also, you opened my eyes to the power of good RR, which is risk to reward. The day I joined your Telegram section, you did some calculation and it made me realize how important it is to have a good RR. In addition, your status is informative. Thanks, boss. So this is also someone, this person said, I really love your strategy. This is the best I've seen so far. I now begin to understand some certain things that Bob Williams used to say in his YouTube account about zooming from monthly, weekly down to hours and minutes to pick up an entry now. I get the big picture on your ebook. I get a big picture on your ebook, and it's super amazing. And again, this your 1 month free trial is very nice strategy and productive. I have never seen anything like this before, apart from software that does it. I have never seen a human do this before. I love you, sir. You good. So Dave said, I didn't take the trade. By the way, Dave is one of my students, but I must confess, you're good in this industry, even though this market nearly hit stop loss. But it came back massively and hit the T-piece from behind. What a massive buy of candle projection. So this is David, right? Dave said, I go through your status at times to understand forex. I have lost a lot of money, but learning a bit from your status and others is giving me a renewed hope that I will get back all the dollars and more I have lost. Keep the good work. So you see, I became profitable in the forex market. I learned a few important things that contributed to my trading success, and it is that there are so many lies in the forex market, and your job is to seek the truth and allow the truth to set you free. What are these truths I'm talking about? Well, the odds of a retail trader succeeding in the forex market is very low. Hence, to succeed, you need to trade like the people that dominate the market. What do I mean? Now, these are like the market makers. You understand? These are the people that moves the market. These are the people that move the market from certain price point to the other, right? So we have Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank has about 18.1%, right, of the market share. UBS has about 11.3 and Barclay has about 11.1, and so on and so forth. You can pause and you can check for yourself, right? So what I'm trying to talk about right here is that you and I do not have the funds to move the market. We're talking about trillions of dollars, and these are the people that contribute to the market heavily, right? So we do not control the markets. These are the people that controls the market. So why should we trade against these people? So it's just a common sense. You just have to trade with them, right? You just have to trade like them to make money. So the job of the market dominators is to buy when the price is very low and sell when the price is very much high, to be able to make good profit for themselves. To be able to achieve this objective, they need liquidity, which is money, right? Which is why retailers in the market will need to be taken out of the market first before the price head on to its original directions. Well, the odds of a retail trader succeeding in the forex market is very low. Hence, to succeed, you need to trade like the people that dominate the markets. What do I mean? The retail concept of trading is a trap to lose your hard-earned money to the people that controls the forex markets. Let me give you an example. Now, this is a GBP USD chart, and I want you to pay close attention to this, right? So, as you can see, the normal retail concept is, when price hits a particular zone more than twice, it is considered a support or a resistance. So in this scenario, this is a very good resistance, and in this scenario, this is a very good support, right? Because price has actually touched it more than twice. I mean, at least twice, basically. So now I want you to pay attention to this third touch, which is the support zone here, yeah? Right? So now, if you take a trade at this point, you'll be in profit to this point. And do not, your stop loss is going to be resting below this support zone, right? So the people that took trade will be in profit. They'll be happy. They're like, okay, this is going well, this is working well. And suddenly you can see these big candles that took everybody out. The people that actually bought here, it took them out, takes all their stop losses that is resting below this place. This is what we call liquidity, because your stop losses are liquidity that moves the price, that drives the price from one price point to the next price point. So price is always attracted to where liquidity is, right? So, and by this candle size, retail traders can never move market this much, right? We can't move the market this much. The people that can actually impact the market this much, this heavy, are the banks. So you can see retailers actually were stopped out at this point, and now we have the resistance. Some people are like planning to sell from here. Now, as you can see, if you sold from here, you'll be in a little profit, and of course your stop loss is going to be resting above this place, right? So it's going to take you out if you sold from here. The people that sold from here, the market literally took them out, by few pips, right? A couple of pips, maybe like say 20 to 30 pips, right? So and do not forget, we have some people that, okay, they said after a resistance is actually violated, it turns into support. So some people would have their buy stops order here. Some people would trade break and retest, and the people that trade break and retest at this point will also be taken out, because their stop loss will be below this price point. As you can see these big heavy candles, right? I don't know if you can see this. Like, I want you to pay maximum attention. And originally, price goes to its original direction after taking out the buyers and the sellers of these markets, right? So retail concept is really fucked. And if you're still trading in this way, there is an high chance of you not succeeding, right? So the best way is to actually trade like the people that actually moves the market, the people that that drives the market. So as you can see, forex isn't as hard as you think. It can get very simple once you understand the footprint of the market dominators, which are like the market makers, the Deutsche Bank, the Barclay banks, the JP Morgans, and all of that, that I've shown you initially, right? So you can follow these footprint to trade like them, right? Now that I have fulfilled my first promise, which is to show you the ungodly truth about forex trading, let me add on to the second promise, which is to show you how to do a minimum of $1,000 monthly from the forex market without having to over leverage your forex trading account. So let me start by showing you a simple case study first. Now, this is like the trading criteria, right? So a trading account of $150. Now, this is the trading criteria. Let's say you have a trading account of $150. You have your risk management is you don't want to lose more than 2% of your account on a trade. So you're risking just 2% of $150 on each trade you take, right? Which is 2% of $150 is like $3 basically, right? So now, also the third criteria is that you have, like, let's say you have 30 trading opportunities in a month, right? You have 30 trading opportunities in a month. So also the fourth criteria here is you have 1:10 minimum risk to reward per trade. Now, what this means is that, let's say you're risking 2%, right? Your risk is going to be $2, right? So times whichever reward you're getting back. So for example, if I'm risking $2 of $150, which is $3, and I'm getting back times 10 of, which is the reward, which is why we call it risk to reward, right? So it simply means I'm risking $3 to make $30, because $30 is times 10 of $3. So this is what I mean by 1:10, right? Now, the fifth criteria here states that you have like 40% winning accuracy. See, a lot of gurus will tell you they have 70%, 80%, all of these percent. At some point, it won't matter if you do not have a very good RR, if you don't have a very good risk to reward. At the end of the day, you would still find yourself losing, right? Right? So the most important thing is when you have a good RR, it doesn't even matter how many winning accuracy. You could have below 50, you could have 20, you could have 30, and you could still be much more profitable than someone who have like 80 and all of that, right? So in this scenario, this 40% winning accuracy simply means out of this 30 trade opportunity that I'm going to be taking in a month, 40% of 30 simply means I'm going to be winning 12 trades and I'm going to be losing 18 trades, right? So this is the calculation right below. The loss, don't forget, 18 times, I'm going to be losing 18 times, which is 18 loss times 3. My risk on each trade is $3, right? I don't want to risk more than 2% of my account, which is $150. So 18 times 3 is going to give me it's going to give me $54. Now the wins, I'm going to win 12 trades, which is like the 40% winning accuracy times $30. Don't forget, 1:10. I'm getting back times 10 of what I'm risking. Since I'm risking 3% and I'm getting back times 10 of it, which is $30. So $30 times 12, which is how many times I'm winning a trade. I'm winning my trade like 12 times, right? So we're going to be having $360, right? So if you do the calculation, you minus 54 from 360, you're going to end up with a net profit of 306. Now, this is very, very much mind-blowing, because now if you think about it, 3 months of that would be $306 times 3. That's going to be like $918, right? In 3 months. So plus your initial capital, which is $150, we're already at $1,068, right? So like, it is as simple as this. Once you can understand this, right? Once you can understand this, and you can trade like the bank. And one of the reasons why I would suggest you trade with, I would suggest trading with the bank is because if you're right with their footprint, there is almost no drawdowns, right? You always have these snipe entries that almost immediately you're in profit. This is something I always get to experience from time to time, right? So this is, if you're wondering if it is possible to really get trades of 1:10, well, this is one of the trade I took that I'm currently still on, right? You can check the chart for yourself, depending on when you're actually watching this though. So like, this is EG. This was the before when I analyzed it. I even posted it on my status, right? Analyze the PA and all of that, and it actually did. Is currently doing like 1:16, but the overall I'm looking at 1:28. This is 1:28 trade, not even 1:10. This simply means if you are risking $10 on this particular trade alone, you're at least you are potentially making $280 plus on this particular trade, right? So which is why it is very, very, very important to have if you're trading with the banks, you will literally be able to like risk little and make maximum gain. You won't need to over leverage your account. You don't need to do that. You can easily be at peace and still make good amount of money, right? So this is the current result of the trade as I speak, right? The current result of the Euro GBP, as you can see, this is a screenshot. I just took it and all of that. Is running on zero risk. I've taken 25% partial profit and it's just running. This is going to take like 3 to 1 month trade, and I'm okay with it, right? Now you can see how easy and doable it is to do 1K with as little as 150 in the next 2 months, which is that's 60 trading days, right? It's supposed to be in the next 3 months, which I showed you initially. I was meant to put 3 months here. So this is theoretically possible. This isn't theoretically possible alone. Let me show you that it is even more than practically possible. So this is Cedric, right? Cedric was one of those guys that took advantage of an offer that I'm going to be making to you at the end of this webinar, right? So he also took advantage of it, and he's someone who has lost over $5,000 in the Forex market. And just within 3 weeks of trading, of funding his account with $250, he was able to arrive at $1,122 without over leveraging his account. It is as easy as that. This is not even like 2 months. This is just within few weeks, 3 weeks, right? Now this is also someone else. This is Akikumi Idowu. He funded his account with $250 with the broker I used, basically, right? So he funded his account with $250. As you can see the screenshot, this is the screenshot when he funded his account, and within a week he was able to do $150. As you can see from this screenshot, you can always zoom in and you can always put your phone on landscape mode so you can be able to see all these proofs, right? So this is also Akikumi Idowu, right? He did like $80 within a day, right? Within a day. And we don't trade demo accounts, right? We trade real accounts. As you can see here, this is someone that made $107 for a week. You can see this is like real. This is like a real account. And by the left as well, like $90 made in pure profit. As you can see, it's also a real account, right? This is AY. He was able to withdraw his money, right? So this is the withdrawal proof. You can just put it on landscape so you can able to see it properly. This is when it got his alert. I told him more withdrawals to be made. This person David withdrew like $300, and also this is also someone that made I think $600 plus, right? Within few weeks, right? Also, this is also someone, this person said, as you can see, this person is also taking my strategy. He's trading my strategy. He said, can't beat it. Haha. Your strategy is mad. Before you, I was big on supply and demand, but I never really took liquidity into play. And that's where I was going wrong. But now, I genuinely think I'm mastering it. Awesome job. I told him, awesome job. You're doing well. Keep it up, right? So he said, thanks, bro. Like, also, this person actually makes like $500 and something on a particular, just on a single trade. See, this is mad. This is mad, right? So this person said, I've exceeded my weekly quota in 1 day, thanks to you, right? So this person said 60 pips. This strategy is amazing. This person said he made like €617 made for the day. Gonna stop. I think this person is from UK. This is one of my UK clients, basically. So you see, just like I have helped these amazing people get massive results in their trading journey, I also want to help 10 struggling traders get similar or better results as well. I want to make you a mouth-watering offer you can never find anywhere else. So I'm introducing to you grow your trading accounts from $150 minimum to $1,000 in 60 trading days for free. We have 20 trading days in a month, which is, in a week we have 5 trading days, and in a month simply means we have like 20, right? So I'm literally saying in 3 months here. So in 3 months, let's grow your account to $1,000 in 3 months. An account of $150, let's grow it to $1K in 3 months. That is what this offer is all about. So this offer is created to help you grow your account from a minimum of $150 to $1K in 60 trading days without over leveraging your trading account. So what does this offer consist of? Let me show you. So you're getting a minimum of at least 25 high probability signals per month from me. That does minimum of 1:10. I've shown you one of my trades. I always have couple of trades like that, right? I always have couple of trades like that. So this is, if I'm saying 1:10, this is just me being conservative with my with my promise, right? And you don't really need a lot of trade. You only need quality trade. You only need high probability trade that's it has higher potentials of playing out. It has higher chances of playing out. So these are the kind of trade I take. These are the kind of trade I drop in my signal group, right? So you're going to be getting like 25 high probability trading signals per month. I charge $200 per month for this. So if you happen to be among the lucky 10 people that will be taking advantage of my free offer, you get the opportunity to be added to my VIP signal group, where you'll be getting my high probability signal that do minimum of 1:10 per trade till you grow your account to $1K. Once you grow your account to $1K, you start paying me for signals, right? So with my signal, you won't need to risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade to make small losses and massive gains. Yes, because you don't really need to over leverage your account. All you need is just 1%. I would even recommend 1%. So that way you are always at peace with whichever risk you're taking on every trade. And you can be using 1% to make 28%, 1% to make 10% per trade. That's how it works with my signals, right? Also, few trades in a month can easily make you good money. For example, if you risk $3, which is 2% of $150 per trade, one winning trade can easily give you minimum of $30. So 10 of that alone can make you $300, and that's like times 2 of $150. So like within 3 months, we're able to achieve the results we're actually looking at. I charge $200 per month for my VIP signal group, but these lucky 10 people who would take advantage of my offer will be getting access to my high probability signals for free, right? So you're also going to be getting bi-weekly analysis section, which is worth $49. Now, every 2 weeks in a row, we're going to be going over the market. We're going to be looking at the trends. We're going to be looking at the opportunity. We're going to be spotting opportunities, the pairs I'll be taking, and you're going to see how I do my top-down analysis, how I go from monthly time frame down to as low as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, to take my interest, which gives me that stop loss of 5.4, 5 points. Initially on that Euro GBP trade I showed you, it was a 5.4 trade, and I've made like 83 pips already from that trade. So I'll be hosting sections bi-weekly with these 10 lucky people. They will have the opportunity to ask questions, see how I do top-down analysis from monthly down to 1 minute to 5 minutes, right? This is worth $49. If you're lucky enough to be among the first 10 persons to take advantage of this mouth-watering offer, you'll be getting access to this. So this is going to be for free for lucky 10 people, right? It's just for 10 people. You're going to be getting access to risk management video, which is worth $37. A pre-recorded video has been created to teach and guide you on how to apply an effective risk management strategy we use to reduce our losses and increase our wins massively. I single-handedly sell this video for $37, right? But if you're lucky to be among the first 10 people to take advantage of this offer, you will also be getting this for free. Top secret ebook. This is worth $87. This is my ebook. I particularly created it myself. So if you're able to take advantage of this offer, instead of paying $87 to get my ebook, which is the amount I sell my ebook for, where you get to learn the 3 elements of forex trading profitability, and also how you can win at least 10K pop firm trading challenge, you'll be getting access to this ebook for free. So this is the cover of the ebook. The front cover, you learn the 3 elements that makes you profitable trader, right? You also learn the 4 easy steps of winning and getting funded with 10K live proprietary trading account, even if you're currently struggling as a trader, right? Even if you're currently struggling as a trader. My top Forex Secrets ebook is responsible for hundreds of traders' trading success, and I don't want you to take my word for it. See for yourself, because I always back everything I say with proofs, right? So this is Eric. Eric is a Ghanaian. Is my Ghanaian guy. He was also privileged to get access to my ebook. So he said, "Can't hide my testimonies. It's not a joke anymore. Going live very soon. Your ebook is doing the magic." Right, as you can see here, is doing pretty much well. So I want you to take a close look at the date. This is January 12th, 2023, when he said this. So the next day he sent me this as well. He said, "Good partial staking already. Just passed my first stage of my challenge," and this is January 13. I asked him, "Is he FCMO?" He said, "Yes, please." Someone bought it for me, so I had no option than to allow him to choose. So basically, this is someone who has achieved success with what he has learned from my book, with even winning a prop firm trading challenge, right? This is also one of my guy, right? Yenu Yu. So he said, "Your son is growing." It took an FCMO trading challenge, as you can see from the screenshot here, and it's also April 18, 2023 that he sent this to me, basically, as you can see. So so he said, "Your son is growing," right? So I asked him which what's it called? He said my Forex fund. He took my Forex fund trading challenge, basically. So he said, okay. What did he say? He said, I pray to make you proud by his grace. I did this just in 4 days. I said, okay, sweet. I told him he can keep doing that. He can keep getting that result as long as he doesn't ignore risk management, because it is very, very vital for me, right, and my students. So he was able to even do well for himself, get himself a small setup, and you can see for yourself. He said my small setup and all of that, right? I have tons of testimonials, but I can't read everything right here. So what you can simply do is you can pause, watch, see for yourself, ensure your phone is on landscape mode so you can read all these testimonials for yourself. So another thing you'll be getting in this offer is another benefit is risk exposure monitoring. This is priceless. This is very much priceless. See, I've seen people, even after watching the risk management video from this offer, yet their emotions still get hold of them and they over leverage, right? It is one thing to know what to do. It is another thing to know what to do and not do it. So my job is to ensure you do it, right? So which is why this is very, very important that I monitor you. So the goal is to ensure you do 1K in less than 3 months. One of the biggest reasons why most of my students in the past have achieved good results is because they were monitored and cautioned as regards the risk they are taking per trade. So the risk they take per trade is being monitored. I understand that not everyone that watches the risk management video or reads it from the top Forex Secrets ebook will adhere and follow the risk management strategy or quickly get used to it. So I took it upon myself to monitor the risk they take per trade, right? How did I do this? It's simple. The broker I use, right, which is regulated, as a tool that allows me see the lot size of any trader that uses my unique link to register and their trading account. So if you use my unique link to register, your trading account with my broker, with the broker I use, basically, I get to see the lot size you use, hence monitor and caution you whenever you are over leveraging or under leveraging. And also pay attention to this: if you are beyond cautioning, if you are egoistic, you don't like people to correct you, you don't like to take corrections, because we are going to have issues. If you are that kind of person, do not take advantage of this offer. If you are that kind of person, if you don't like being corrected, do not take advantage of this offer. This is for people who are going to be corrected, because if you do not eat to cautioning, you're going to be removed and your offers are going to be restricted from you, right? So this is priceless. It literally helps you develop the discipline to build a good trading attitude, and also allow you to become a profitable trader. So total worth of this is $773. And guess what? That is not even all. I have a special fast action taking bonus for the first 3 persons that takes action within the next 24 hours of watching this video. What is this fast action taker bonus about? So it's a complete smart money course. This is going to blow your mind. I know this is going to be interesting, but this is just only for 3 people. And also put at the back of your mind that it is this fast action bonus offer only lasts for 24 hours. Within 24 hours of getting access to this video. So immediately you get this video, your 24 hours start counting. So after that 24 hours and 3 people have taken advantage of the offer, even if they don't, but of course they would have, basically, because this is actually a mind-blowing offer. So it's going to be rushed. So after 24 hours of you getting access to this video, basically this fast action bonus offer is gone, right? So this course teaches you how to trade like the bank. You learn how to trade like the bank, follow their footprints in the market, avoid being stomp hunted. Most importantly, you learn how to use minimal stop losses like 2, 3, 5, or 10, which is the max SL, for snipe entries to catch big moves from 100 pips and above. Imagine using 2 pips to catch 100 pips. That's like times 50. It's insane. 5 to catch 100. It's also insane. That's like times 20. That's mad. Like, you're literally using $10 to make $200, right? That's what it means. So this course is guaranteed to take you from a total struggling trader to a profitable trader if you learn and practice what you learn from the course, basically, and practice what you learn from the course over time, right? So you won't even need to buy any forex course in the future. You don't even need to, right? Because this is all you need to become profitable in the forex market, as long as you take this seriously, right? So this course is guaranteed to take you from a total struggling trader to a profitable forex trader. You learn and practice what you learn. If you learn and practice what you learn over time, right? So this is the screenshot of the content of the course, right? The supply and demand liquidity concept. The liquidity concept I talked to you about, you learn how to get in exactly where the banks are getting in, not when the retailers are getting in. Not the retail concept of buying at the support and selling at the resistance. No, you learn how to get in when the retailers are taken out of the market. That is when you are going to be getting in. That is what this liquidity concept is all about. You learn the market structure, the correct way of market structure, right? How to trade lower time frames, snipe entries, and everything like that. These are like the content of the course, right? So if you happen to be among the first lucky 3 persons to take advantage of this offer, you'll be getting access to this mouth-watering offer for free, right? Instead of paying $250. The total worth of everything you're getting is $1,023. So once again, this is all you're getting from this Grow Your Trading Account from $150 minimum to $1,000 in 60 trading days for free offer, right? So you're getting minimum of 25 high probability signals per month. That does minimum of 1:10 RR per each trade, right? And this is worth $200. In 3 months, it's worth $600. So I'm literally going to be shorting $600 just for doing this for you, basically, right? But no problem. So bi-weekly analysis section, this is worth $49, right? Risk management video, this is worth $39. Top forex secret ebook, right? This is what $87. Risk exposure monitoring, this is priceless, right? So a complete smart money course for fast action takers. This is for fast action takers, just for 3 people that takes advantage of the offer within 24 hours of getting access to this course and this video, basically, right? So this is worth $250. The total worth is $1,023, right? So how do you get instant access to this offer? Simply click the button below this video to reach out to me for my unique broker link to sign up with. Once you sign up and verify your trading account, fund your trading account with a minimum of $150. Once that is done, send me a screenshot that you funded your trading account. Within 5 minutes of doing this, you get instant access to this offer, right? So these are like the frequently asked questions. Is there any possibility I'll blow my trading account from doing this? Except, even if your village people are following you, you can't blow your account. As long as you're following my instructions, there is no absolute way you blow your account, right? Because one profit alone gives you room for numerous losses. And even before you have that numerous losses, another profit has already topped it, and you're just always in good profits. You understand? Your equity is always building exponentially, right? So is this a mentorship program? Well, for the first 3 people that actually get the smart money course, right, it's more like a mentorship for them, because obviously you're also going to be getting bi-weekly sections from me, and you're going to be seeing how I trade, and you're going to be able to ask questions and all of that. So it's more like mentorship. Is the broker I use safe to use? They are regulated brokers, and they are even very popular. So you would most likely know them, right? So they are even very much popular. So they are regulated and they are also popular. And you can also do your own research on your own, basically, right? By the way, I even have links of where you can do your research and see what lots of people that have used the broker, what they are saying about them. So it is that's your decision to make, basically. So why is it the must I use your broker? Well, it's going to be stupid for me to spend 3 months with you, and you get to, just because I didn't get to monitor you, you take certain decisions on your own, and it ruins the whole 3 months that I've worked with you. Like, it's going to be dumped on my side, because I'm going to be giving this all for free. And the best thing we can actually achieve is the result. And once the result is achieved, you get to start paying me $200 per month. And yeah, for me, that's like the end goal. And also to build a very good relationship with you, because for me, building a successful and sustainable business starts with building good relationship, and building good relationship starts with giving honest advice and honest help to people that actually need them, right? So what's the minimum and maximum deposit required for this? Minimum is $150. The maximum, there is no maximum, and you have to put at the back of your mind that the higher the deposit, the higher the returns, right? That's how it works. So why am I giving all this for free? It's simple. Like, is there anything I'm gaining from doing this? Well, the only thing I'm gaining from doing this, it's pretty much simple. Number one, very soon I'm going to be I'm going to be having my own mentorship. Like, it's going to be like a private mentorship, and I need a lot of testimonials to run a marketing campaign for it. So if I get it sensible of you to give me a common sense thing, also pay for my signals, right? So once again, thanks for taking I believe it has been a very profitable use of this offer. As I've said, it's just meant for 10 people, and the fast action is meant for 3 people that takes advantage of the offer within 24 hours. So if you want to take advantage of it, just reach out to me by clicking the link below this video, and that I've not answered, you can also reach out to me as well, right? Peace out.